Chapter 4 Sita. Vishvamitra, Rama, Lakshmana, and several of the sages set off for the kingdom of Mithila. The king was having a Swayamvara, which was a grand ceremony to choose a groom for the king's daughter. Kings, sages, and dignitaries from far and wide would visit the kingdom to join in the festivities and sacred ceremonies. Sage Vishvamitra related the story of King Janak's daughter to the princes. The king had discovered her while ploughing a field as part of his sacred ritual, and he had adopted her as his daughter. She was born from a furrow in the earth, which is why her name comes from the Sanskrit word for furrow, Sita. The king wanted a worthy husband for his beloved daughter, and he set a test for any potential suitors. The Shiva Dhanush, the bow of Shiva, had belonged to the family of King Janaka for generations. It was an exceptionally heavy bow. The test for any suitor was to be able to lift and bend the bow to string it. None had been able to complete the task, with many of the princes and kings not even being able to lift the bow, much less string it. It was kept in a box with 8 wheels. According to some legends, King Janak was inspired to set the test when he once saw Sita as a child lifting the bow to retrieve a ball she had accidentally dropped into the box. When Rama and Lakshmana arrived in Mithila with the sages, word of the 2 valiant and handsome princes spread in the kingdom. The sages and the princes were invited to the palace, and on the request of Sage Vishvamitra, King Janak was asked to show them the bow. The box, which contained the Shiva Dhanush, was brought into the palace chamber, pulled by several of the king's guards. To the amazement of those of the king's court present, Rama, the prince of Ayodhya, opened the box, effortlessly lifted the bow, and bent it to string it. The citizens of Mithila heard a sound like thunder which shook the earth. The bow had broken with the power of Prince Rama's pull. At first, the attendees remained in stunned silence, which then gave way to the exuberance of the king. King Janaka was amazed and overjoyed. He had finally found a worthy husband for his daughter, and he excitedly ordered the arrangements for Sita's wedding. But the thunder of Lord Shiva's breaking bow had attracted the attention of a Brahmin warrior, and he was not pleased. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.